Hi, I'm Kyle Voracek, owner at Reside. If you're watching this, you're serious about building a career in sales. This isn't for everyone, but if you're competitive, coachable, and want to earn at a high level, we've built something special here at Reside for you. Top-tier training, real support, and a team that pushes each other. If you're good like most of our reps, you're going to earn six figures. If you're looking for more than just a job and want a real opportunity, apply now. We'll see you at the top.